I'm Jeff Bowers, founder of Sax Stack and a client of Incept 3D. My company creates saxophone-related products, including our new storage and display system known as the Sax Stack. As a sax player, I wanted a clean way to store all my mouthpieces, reeds, and necks. One day I thought, my sax has a stand, why not a stand for everything else? That idea became the Sax Stack. I was looking for a local 3D printing company in San Diego that welcomed collaboration. After meeting the Incept 3D team, I knew right away that they were the right partner to bring my idea to life. They were amazing, professional, motivated, and always on top of my ambitious timelines. When I saw the finished Sax Stack, I was thrilled, and I'm a tough critic. Working with Incept 3D has been a pleasure. I'd recommend them to anyone with an idea that they want to bring to market.